How to log into Legacy Visa credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be teaching you guys on logging into your Legacy credit card account online. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any preferred web browser in your computer or your mobile phone. And after that, in the search bar at the top, type in Legacy credit card login and hit enter in your keyboard. Click on the first link that appears indicating the login option of First National Credit Card. And once you click on it, on the homepage, you will see that this website serves for both Legacy and First National Bank credit cards. So you have to enter your credentials, like your username in the first field, and followed by the correct form of your password. And in the case if you have forgotten your user ID or your password, you can simply go to the link of forgot username and password and follow the on-screen instructions to retrieve or reset your username and the password both. And if you're new to Legacy, you can just simply click on register as a new user link over here and become the member of Legacy. After you have entered the correct form of your user ID and your password, you can simply click on the login button that is highlighted in green color in order to successfully log into your account. So that's how you can access your Legacy credit card online account. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. For any questions or feedback, stay tuned for more tutorial video like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.